Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's another tutorial topic. So today I'm creating for handling and the missing data with the pandas in Python programming. So here I'm explore for the three common technique for dealing with missing values in your data set. Okay, so now let's create here. So you can say just now I'm explaining for the introduction to missing data. So in the real world data for the missing values are common. So Pandas is provide for the several methods to handle these gaps for effectively. So here is a work cover for the identifying missing data, removing for the missing data and the filing missing data. So first of all, I am processed for in the three way and properly create for the missing data program. So first of all, I'm creating here the identifying the missing data. Okay. So now let's create, and you can see here I'm using for the is now method. So in this inside, first I'm create the simple data and is equal to secure the square brackets. So first of all, here I'm type for it's a name space field. Okay, and then create for the person information. So first of all, I'm type for the person is a Alice. And here I'm also create for the second, I'm just create for the second person name like a Bob. And next I'm create for the another person name is a Charlie. And then I'll create for the another person name like a David. Okay, so you can understand is perfectly. And just going the next line of code. And here I'm set for the person age 1. Okay, and then create it properly and set for the age. So first I'm set for the Alice age is 25, then Bob is for is a no. Okay, so here I'm just hide. And then I'm just set for the Charlie is 30 and the David is 22. It's a perfect now. And now I'm create for the another field the column for like a city. Okay, now I'm create for the city information. So first of all, I'm create for the first city is in New York. Sorry, I'm check for it. Okay, it's not one. So is it perfect on New York? And another city I'm create for here is a Los Angeles. And now I am just Charlie city just hide. Sorry, here and type for it now. And then I'm type for the David city name is a Chicago. Okay, is a perfectly done. And now I'm going for the next line of code and type for the DA1 is equal to type for PD. Define this data frame and in this inside I'm include for this data information. Okay. So first of all, I am displaying for the data frame. So first I'm just print for the original data frame. So you can see type for the print function. And this inside I'm type for like original data frame. Okay, and then I am used for again this print function and in this environment here for this year. Okay, it's perfectly great now and just I'm saving this all code and just click on in the run buttons. So as you can see here, if you properly see the results, so first to the print for the original data frame for the name, age and the city, and you can see here is properly done. And now I'm creating for the identifying the missing values. Okay, so you can see this next line of code and here first of all I'll use this print function, and in this insert first time create the new line and then type for here is a missing values in the data frame. Okay, so you can see here is a properly create in this the data frame. And now I'm used for in this print function and in this inside I'm type for the tf dot and now use for is now these functions. That means in this example I am properly used for is the method returns a data frame of the same shape where the true indicates a missing value. So now just save this code and here you see just show results at the missing data. So you can see here because for it's not missing for the second line for here the age is properly defined at 30. So you can see here in this the none because is a true. True means is a nothing show for the it's here it's called the missing data. And you can see also for here is again this one the true, and you can see here it's not true. So I hope you understanding this properly. Is here is indicating for the missing values. Okay, and now proper use for the is now method. And next I am creating for the removing missing data. So here I'm used for the drop now method. Okay, so now let's create here. So first of all I'm just remove for in this code and in this line. Okay, so here I'm type for is a clean underscore in this df is equal to type for df dot. Here I'm used for in this the drop num method, and now the string create for in this the print function for data frame after. So just I am type is a data frame after dropping for missing these values. And then here I'm okay, so here I'm just type for the double P and then perfect. I'm just going the next line of code, and here I'm used for the another print function, and in this increment declare the clean drop. In this df, that means it's perfectly used for the drop now method remove any row with missing values. So now just I'm save it again and just click on in these the run buttons. Okay, so now just wait, and as you can see here is a properly print the output. So you can see first one here is the original data frame, and here is it after dropping the missing values. So you can see here the properly print the first line is completely okay, and here is the in this the last line is perfect because here is the show for the all informations. Okay, and next line here I'm used for the another for the filling missing data. Okay, so you can see I'm just type for here, so just I am remove for this one, and here I'm typing for it's a field underscore this df, and this is equal to type for df dot type for here is a fill now this method, and in this insert first of all I include a for is a age, and then type for df and the square brackets create, and this is then again create for the age column, and then type for here is same is a new value, and create for the another column defined for the city, and just I am creating one here. And now I'm paid for is properly the unknown. Okay, you can see here the perfectly done. And now this is after here is it data frame after filling the missing values. So you can see the missing values, and just print for here is a fill. Okay, you can see here is a properly create now, and just I'm saving this output and just click on in this the run buttons. Okay, so just wait, and as you can see here it will properly show the output for the data frame filling missing in this the values. You can see here the word missing and filling for here is unknown. Okay, so I hope you proper understanding this to this tutorial, and you are properly creating these the missing values. So now just thanks for watching and happy coding. Okay.